इतने बाबा फाटले जे आतांचे झेडपी रिजल्ट जाले ते कशें ओवरऑल पळयत जाल्यार तुमी कशें पळयता?
See, it is a warning for our party to be careful. That all your 1 year I have been telling, last 1 year I have been telling the party. See, people just simply don't vote for you. That you need to give them an option. They will vote for you if they have confidence in you. Now for a long time the leadership has failed. From 17 we came down to 5. Out of the 5, instead of felicitating me for not going along with the 10 that went, can you believe it? In the Congress House, our so-called, unwanted leaders are trying to project candidate against me, are talking against me. From 2012, I've been fighting single-handedly. When I was talking, even Vijay Sardesai, even this fellow was not talking. Rowan County and Naresh Savada was not talking. I was the first fellow to talk. I was the guy who called Manohar Parrikar U-turn master, U-turn. I was the guy who called him, not they. They only basked in glory. They were basking in glory thinking that they were the only opposition. No. See what is their state today. You can't fool the people all the time. Now this election, our so-called leaders, without naming them, it's not worth it, wanted to show me a lesson. In my constituency, one of the leader comes and takes a meeting. They don't have candidates in some constituencies. They have no booth agents. They have nothing. They don't know what is happening in some constituencies out of the 40 constituencies. Nobody has stopped anybody there to even form booth level committees. Nobody has stopped anybody for the last 5 years. On the contrary, there was one guy who has contested for 4 elections and lost all the 4. And still, our party says you continue. And I think you should make that same person the face of Chief Minister's face now. Without naming him, he should be made the Chief Minister's face now of the Congress party. That will be only, that is already the wounds are, they have already, wounds have already been done. Now to add rub salt to the wounds, do that. That's the only thing that is left. People with so much faith want to vote against the ruling party. With so much faith, they look up to the opposition parties. What are the other opposition parties doing? I don't know. I am not in charge. I don't want to comment. I only want to say results show. I only want to say the results show. Goa doesn't deserve this. Goans don't deserve this. There is no option. That is why this is the vote. How to show the option? There is no study also. Can you believe it? The BJP has given 4 options to divide the vote. What they have? They have got one stupid party. They call themselves what, I don't know. Not worth it. Plus you got Goa Forward, Congress, Independence. How many options BJP gave the Goans to see that they come? They gave them 4 options. And that's not all. That's not all. That's not all. Can you believe it? This is not a semi-final. This is not a quarter-final. It doesn't require 3 months to change the dynamics of politics. But you require good people. You require people without an agenda who will look after the state interest of the state. Can you believe it? We are at a stage when administration has collapsed. There is no finances. Corruption levels are very high. Projects which are environmental, destroying environment. Yesterday, can you believe it? Casinos were given in Penne one gaming zone. I'll give you one more thing. Let's look at Sankalp Amonkar's issue in Vasco. They can't take it to a logical end. Who is talking? Sankalp Amonkar. Where are the others? Without naming anybody. I don't want to name anybody because I don't want to, be a guy who is criticizing. I want to be a person who, suggests a change, does it and shows. Those days are gone when we were talking. I was the only vocal guy. You have seen I must have stopped talking. Why I stopped talking? Because you can't talk for the walls and for the galleries. Actions should speak louder than words. Well, I have done my bit. It's you who has forced me to talk. I didn't want to talk also today because I feel sad. I feel sad to see the disintegration. पण म्हाका फोन करून सांगता काँग्रेस हाऊस ते खंय कजिनो लागून उरला नाल्यार कजिनो नालो जाल्यार उडोवन वयतालो न्ही खंय वेरें बेरें. I don't know why that person told me. I don't know. Casino लागून उरलें म्हणटें and that fellow tells me म्हाका फोन करून सांगता ते उर्फान मुल्लाक सारकें खबर आहा तें कितको उरलें तें कजिनो को देखून. So I don't know what he is trying to say. No, I am only repeating what he is saying. But I got phone calls to ask what is happening. Do you understand the dynamics of politics? This is the dynamics of politics. They have used everybody and they have won. To demoralize our people also. Now in my own constituency, can you believe it? The person who you see worked for the BJP last time openly is given the ticket. Just imagine. And there is no KWs. I get phone calls that in some constituencies, they have not paid attention. Yesterday I got one phone call that somebody came to him. Now in Veli, they had no candidate, they were saying. The district president was telling that he doesn't have a candidate. Somebody came and gave him a candidate and that candidate won. Because he took responsibility. And these fellows were doubting him because of, see, we have got people at the helm of affairs who have got no credibility. Just imagine. And what are we showing to the people of Goa? We need to show that we are an option. We can't show, we can't take things for granted.
तो गोंयकारांचो विश्वास खंय गेलो तुमचेर आसलो तो काँग्रेस खातीर
I think they should answer it. Person in the helm of affairs. I have got no role to play. I am not even considered. Can you believe it? In my own Kurtari constituency, for the last 3 elections, block president is somebody else. But not my person. For the last 3 elections, they are not considering even my block president. And they care a damn about me. No problem. I have worked hard. I have survived. I didn't go to the BJP. I am still in the Congress. I have kept the name of my voters by not being a turncoat. Guy who jumping jack. I have not been a jumping jack. I have sincerely worked. I have done my duty and still I am not saying I have done a very good job, but I have done a reasonably good job. That I'll say. And now, at this point of time, instead of helping, when I have been helping the party so many months, can you believe it? The big leaders take somebody to the observer and say, this is a candidate for Kurtoni. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? And the photo is viral. Whom to show? You can't fool the people all the time, please. You can fool the people once, and this is my last averment. This time, all of them got together to show me a lesson. They thought 30 candidates, 40 candidates will win. There are only, I don't know how many, I lose track because I lost track how much we were also.
Difficult to calculate.
Difficult to calculate. They thought they would win everybody, and both of them would teach me a lesson. So unfortunate. I tried to contact somebody yesterday. In spite of all this, in spite of I being treated so badly, I tried to contact one of the leaders. That person till today, till now, has not even SMSed me. Forget even calling me. Just imagine, this is the state of affairs. It is a disgrace. There is nothing that has been, that they have not done to me. In spite of I working for the party. I everywhere went, every agitation I went as a congressman. I might have hurt somebody, I might have said something to somebody, but I have not done it intentionally. I have not hurt anybody. And There are people, there are some elected people who are saying that they don't need me. No problem, but I need everybody. I need the smallest man. I require the smallest man and I require the biggest man. I have, in my whole speech, I have not said anything to any leader. I have not named any leader. Last election, I supported Shardin also. They can't say I have done anything wrong to the party also. Only this election, I was a bit hurt by what they did to me.
So what is the option left in front of Congress party now with these results that the Congress has got in ZP polls?
When they don't consider my view, do you think it's worth it talking? I want to be a master of my unspoken words. But I don't want to be a slave of my spoken words, at least as far as this leadership is concerned. No more talking, no more saying anything. I have decided not to say anything. I have decided even to stop commenting on Facebook, all worthless. The value of Facebook for these elections, you can make out what is the value of Facebook. So we are very clear, and I don't want to make a mistake also of taking any wrong decisions and any wrong steps. We have been from 2012 in the bed of times, in the thick of times when the party was in the opposition. I have been with the party.